Hi YouTube and especially iPhone users. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to add a ringtone, a special ringtone that you want to your iPhone. Which me myself, I had a lot of problems doing that, and it was really hard for me. And I had to search online and everything, but I couldn't really find a fix for that or the right way because of some things that weren't showing up on iTunes. But today I'll show you guys how to do everything. So the first thing you want to do is just go to Internet Explorer and oh no, not this. That was my mistake. Yeah, let's go to Internet Explorer and get any kind of ringtone for an iPhone. You can just search iPhone ringtone or ringtones free download or whatever, and it'll give you a bunch of links and a bunch of websites that you can go to. For example, let's go to this free-ringtones.cc, and let's say you like this one. Okay, so if you like this one, you just press get it, and then right here, let's say download for iPhone, and it takes you here, and there it is. It's asking me whether to save it or open it. So I'm gonna save it, save as, and then just save it to my music, just right here, save. So it's already done. Go to open folder, make sure it's there. It's right here. There. So now what you have to do, you can close this down. And by the way, there's a lot of applications on through the App Store on the iPhone itself that you can download that have a lot of ringtones that you can also download and everything. I will show you also how to do that. But if you downloaded a song or a ringtone off the Internet Explorer, what you need to do next is just plug in your phone to the computer. Wait till iTunes opens up. Close. You gotta wait till it syncs. Okay, while waiting for that, what you need to do first is that, see over here, where it says tones. This wasn't actually here. I only had music, movies, TV shows, and home sharing. But the way to add tunes is to press Alt on the computer keyboard, then go to. Let me refresh. Okay, there we go. Edit. Then you go to Preferences, and right here you just go to tones, and you check it. After that, you press OK, and it'll show up right here. After that, what you do is go to this right here in the corner, and you press Add File to Library. Then you just go wherever you downloaded your ringtone. I put in my music, it's right there. Press on it, click open, and as you guys can see, it's the first one right there. And I just see it's right here. Then what you do is go to iPhone, and whenever you add the ringtone to right here to your library, this will show up right here, the tones tab right here. Before that, I didn't have it, and I was going crazy, and I couldn't figure it out until I added the ringtone to the library, and then it showed up. But once it shows up, you just go to tones, then it'll show all the ringtones in the library right here. See, as you guys can see, and you can just select all tones, but I would rather just select selected tones, which will give you the option of which ringtones you want to put on your iPhone or iPod or whatever. Probably iPhone. But then you just check the ones you want, and you go down here and click apply. Once you click apply, up here, see, it will sync again and put the ringtones that you checked on the iPhone, and right here it's already there, it's already in the iPhone. So that's one way of doing it, but as I told you guys, the other way of adding the ringtone through an app from the app store, uh, you can go right here. See, I downloaded an app called apps. Where is it? There's free ringtones. Oh, right there. It's called Ringtones, right here. You guys can see it. You just, I'm just waiting till it syncs. See, it's only step 2 of 5. Gotta wait for that first. It's taking a long time. Okay, now it's done, so alright. Get out of there, then go in again so we can refresh. Okay, so right now, so scroll down and the app will show right here, as you guys can see. Then click on that, and the ringtone that you downloaded off that app will show up right here. So when that does, you just select them all, or select whatever one you want, or you can select multiple ones, like this. Let's say these two. Then you click save to, and then you save them wherever you want. Once you save them and they're all saved, then you go back to the corner right here, and as I showed you in the beginning, how to add the ringtones to here, add file to library, then through tones and everything, and you do it just like I did it in the first steps. And that's all. Please like and subscribe if you like. Thank you very much.